Okay, took a little break there. So in the D cage, D G A tripentatonic cage, we're going to have a C minor shaped relative minor. Okay, so here's your let's say in the key of C, D shaped C here. I can go down to get this. It's going to be a C minor shaped. Okay, so it's three. It's going to be 3/6 root. So it's 3/6 root, 3/6 root. Okay, because I'm down C tuned, so that root would be C up there. So it's a C minor shape, and similarly in the A cage, it's going to be a G minor shaped A minor. So A cage is here on my guitar, A shaped C. We're going to have a G minor shape, so it's now it's not going to be in the same inversion. It's G minor, so it's going to be root. It's going to be a root, so it's going to be 6 root 3. So we're starting on a white note here. 6 A C E. 6 root 3 6, and then 6 root 3 right there. Now we're going to use this root 3 to stay in the A cage. So here's our A cage. Here's our A pentatonic, which just contained what we're going to do, which is the G shape. Okay, so it's going to be G minor shaped, rather. G minor shape. So you got to see where these things fit in to the tripentatonic cage, but you know the shape that you're looking for. Now, doing it in the string shapes, we can do that. We can cover string shapes right now, hopefully. So if we look at the minors here, all we have to know is the root 3/6 string shape. So when we're in the A box, so it's our A diatonic. That's just an A diatonic scale, starting from G, which is the 5th of the root of A. Okay. If we go up 5 root 3 in that root shape, which is the A shape, okay, we can look at that too. 5 root 3, the A shape now is going to just be 5. So let's just zoom out so we can get both of these guys right here. This is what we're looking at right here, the majors and the minors. So in the A box, we're going to hit the 5, and then also over here we've got, and we're on the short patterns right now because we're way up above the fret, not here. Also over here, so we would start on the A would be 5, E would be 3, and then we go root rather. So the A shape would be 5, the root shape would be E out of that 7 root 3. So remember, the diatonic is 5, 6, 7 root 3. Is that 5, 6, 7 root 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to take the 5 from the A right there. From the G, we're just going to take the root of that 7 root 2. Okay, and from the C shape, we should be going to the D shape next. See, so we started on C here. Where did we start? We started on A. A to E to C. Let's see, A to E back to C here. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it here first. Okay, so A is going to be 5, E is going to be root, then C is 3, 5. Okay, then G is just root, and then D is just the 3rd. 1, warped up, thank you. Warped up, and then we go back to C again. Oh, we go back to A again at the root 5 there. So that would be your A-shaped tritonic arpeggio. Starting on 5, it's just going to go like that. So once again, we'll look at that. Starting on the A shape, it's going to be 5 root 3, 5 root 3, 5. That's easy, I can just see it. But when we go into the minors, okay, so we want to go to the relative minor of the A shape. Is going to be 1 caged letter advance in the word cage. So the relative minor of the A shape in cage is C-A-G, is going to be a G minor shaped chord. Going to be a G minor shaped arpeggio. Okay, so starting from the bottom string, we would have like that. We have 6 root 3, and that's root. That's root position. Doing it by string shapes, we're going to start on the A with the 6 there. Then we're going to go to the E string. So we'll start here. Remember, we're following. It goes A, E, C, G, D, A. So over here it'd be A, E, C, G, D, A, like that. See, we're following the circle here. So it's going to be A, E, G, C, D. And looking at it that way. Okay. Now we're not doing a sub yet because we're doing the relative minor. And remember, minor is root 3, 6. Okay. So we start on the A there. I'm just going to put my pointer over here. You can follow on this A, and okay, we go A is 6, then to the E for root, then to the C for the third, okay, then to the G for 6 root, and then to the D for just the third, and then to the A just for the 6th. Okay, so it's 6 root 3, 6 root 3, 6. And right there is your G minor shaped relative 6 minor. Now, if we want to do that would be the A minor. If we want to do the D minor, we have to just substitute in the 4th of the A shape, which will be the D shape. So the cage word starts to C again, and for that D minor, for that second minor or D minor in the key of C, we would have to use the C minor shaped minor. Now, instead of remembering, well, this is a C minor shape, and this is the way I was doing it up until this month, right? So it's okay, so we've got basically for that D minor 6, we've got 6, 2, 4. Okay, but we're going to be doing the substitution, so it's really going, it is 6, 2, 4. It appears to be in the root shape of the A, but when you go to the D shape, in the D shape, remember, D shape is 2, 3, 4. Oh, what's that? That's a B flat. We're not doing diatonic. We're doing pentatonic. But when you do the scale, the pentatonic scale substitution, that would be the 2nd of the D shape. So that does make sense because we're starting on the 2nd, and we're looking to do that that D minor. I don't know, it doesn't sound exactly right, but so we just follow the string shapes for the second minor.